Quick look at China here. China's off 1.5%, like we said. So we're just going to have to wait and see there. Pretty muted open. Things hanging out right where they were. SPYs and Qs leading the way to the downside. Russell not reacting to the downside as much. But we really have a whole heck of a lot of nothing, at least for right now. WDC gaps down 5%. We'll set that for us here. Well, we have to wait for the second bar, right? Got that. JD, that's getting hit hard because of the Chinese news that I talked about. Import and export numbers, both weaker than expected. But we'll see if that wants to come back. That could put the pressure on the Chinese government to get a deal done with the United States quicker than they might have liked to. Certainly gives us leverage that we didn't have before. And let's see, rig, we're going to skip airlines off across the board. At least they were. That's Delta. We'll set that one. We're going to set Baidu. That's going to be down on your Chinese numbers like we talked about. And let's see here. And Roku. That's too small of a gap. It's come back quite a little bit. AMAT.
Huge bid at 420.
Let's see that. We'll set that alarm there. We got a few more to do.